It is a severe thunderstorm warning, folks. In Fayette County, Spalding County, wherever that is. Maybe Clayton County. I think Spalding County is, I think it's actually South Carolina. But anyway, no, that's Jasper County. Spalding County is Georgia. Yeah. I always go by the trees, and they're not super windy right now, see? They're not blowing like it's super windy is what I mean. You hear that new swath of rain. Cars going by, which means it's still safe to drive. Now you hear it coming a little harder. I'm trying to figure out which way it's coming from. And I think it's coming from, usually storms come from this direction, but the last one was coming from that direction. And I gotta get that fixed. It works well. But so the type of fixing I refer to is a little different than what you might think. And unfortunately, my security lights are working, but my solar lights aren't because I haven't gotten enough sun. Those are lame. The last batch I had, they got lights like nobody's business, like these on the side. These are solar lights. They'll last until like 5 in the morning. Of course, then the sun comes up. So, so that's your weather forecast, folks, or your weather, not forecast, but your weather report. This is what a severe thunderstorm looks like in South Atlanta, Georgia, way south. Way south. I'm aware of that. I'm making a vlog. Ugh. No, I'm making a vlog. I just gotta take your words out of the video. I know this is fine. Man, oh man. There it is. Thunder. Woo! All right. Time to go in.